Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO 11 days ago, to be precise on February the 5th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $4.44. And at this point, my main assumption was that this asset hit the accumulation range that I marked previously, and from this level we might see and we might anticipate this type of movement to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. This is the point where I made my previous video, and since I made it, this asset went up and it gained about 16% to its value, and for now it is hovering 11.63% above the price of my previous video. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to receive this type of call to action on a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee offer, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what setup do you have from this particular point, what news might be the catalyst for this asset for the upcoming weeks, and how we can benefit out of its movements. First of all, let's take a look at some fundamentals, at some fundamental news. One of the most important news is their sales, and I have to admit that NIO, as you can see right here, in January of 2026 sold about 27,000 vehicles, and it ranked as an 8th. You can see it right here, and they have a total market share of about 4.5%. Definitely they have to improve for this position, but in general, guys, this number is quite good. On top of that, this is the most important news for NIO for the upcoming weeks. William Lee reaffirms NIO's 2026 annual profitability target in internal address. And let me quote you these first of all bullet points. William Lee reiterated to employees the goal of achieving annual profitability in 2026 following NIO's alert of its first quarterly profit in the fourth quarter of 2025. Reasonable profits are the foundation for the company's sustained development, and this target must be met. And guys, it is not the only result that was achieved by NIO. Yes, it is a very good year. Last year was a very good year for NIO because they achieved first profitability of the fourth quarter of 2025. And their main goal for now is to achieve the same profitability, but on a yearly basis. On top of that, guys, they have a strong improvement in their battery as a service division, and definitely it is a very strong source of additional income for the company. They prove the concept of this business, and that is why it is very good to see that it has a consistent, wait a second, I will show right here, it has a consistent cash flow. And here you can see that several news is dedicated to their battery as a service division, and NIO recorded 146,649 battery swaps on February 15, setting a new all-time high record. Guys, this means this type of competitive advantage for NIO might drastically improve and is drastically improving their fundamental numbers. And on top of that, guys, they have a very strong development R&D department which develops their own 5nm chip that is used in their new models, and they have several very attractive in terms of the sales models in each and every brand. Definitely it is a ES8 for NIO that reached 65,000 sales for the last year, and other models for other divisions are also very profitable. So, which means, guys, fundamentally NIO is improving its position. At the same time, we have two analytic firms who reiterated their rating. It is Bernstein and JP Morgan, and Bernstein set its price target at $5.5 and JP Morgan reduced its price target from $8 to $7 mark, which is still quite substantial upside potential for NIO of 11.11% and 41.41% respectively. Which means, guys, this movement to the upside might continue, and regardless of this structure where we are now, whether it is a new impulsive wave to the upside to complete and to break basically this previous swing high, or it is just a corrective structure, we can benefit out of this movement. And how? Let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have all the conditions on the table which lead us to the conclusion potentially we have the bottom for the entire retracement from this very top to this very bottom. We already finished this retracement, and if so, guys, we have a very good setup from the current price. From this point, you can accumulate your position with the stop loss that you should place right below this bottom. It is about 11.37% of downside potential with an upside potential, guys. And let's do some measurements how high this asset might go. If I pull the FIBA retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low, we can hit, and NIO can hit up to 0.5 fib level, which means it can be up to 27% of upside potential. And depending on the price action on today's session, we might anticipate some volatility around the $4.95, and if the asset goes to the downside, you can accumulate your position, and this will reduce your risks substantially, I would say, and this will improve your profit. And when it happens, guys, it will be a very good setup, swing trade setup for this asset. And on the grand scheme of things, we can have this movement to the upside as just the beginning of its new medium-term uptrend. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.